किसी को बताओ that what do you do, I do tarot reading, reiki healing, आगे से जवाब ही नहीं आता है. They are like because they don't know what it is, so like अच्छा okay, but आप करते क्या हो? This is what I do. As I can see and hear things in my head. And it was very difficult. It was, see, this kind of society we live in, Indian society, abhi bhi bahut people, this is not a concept, this is not something which do mainstream nahi hai, which everybody wants to do. I can, but will you be comfortable? I told them कि आप ऐसे dependent नहीं हो सकते tarot cards पे. Everything, आज क्या पहनना है, आज क्या होगा, this cannot happen.
Will I be a successful man with a lot of money or like an average man with average amount of salary?
Tarot तो फिर भी लोग समझ जाते हैं, मतलब it's like when I tell them that I'm a tarot reader, they're like हमारा हाथ रीड कर लो, तो somehow they relate.
बंदे के दिमाग में रहता ही है. तो what will happen to my love life? How are you, ma'am? Hello.
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. सब लोगों को थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया है. It's about predicting your future, like not your, if you're doing it तो जिसका कर रहे हो उसका future and stuff like that. How scientific it is, like how would you back this with, like what is the idea behind tarot card reading actually? कि मतलब क्यों tarot card reading इतना popular है लोगों के बीच में?
I think tarot is popular, astrology is also popular. I mean, things like that are, anyhow people are curious, they want to know okay क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, उनके साथ क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. With the tarot, the thing is that it reads on your on the energies of your subconscious mind. और सब कुछ हमारे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में होता है, जिसको हम ऑरा बोलते हैं. योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, योर इमोशनल हेल्थ, योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज वेरी मच देयर इन योर ऑरा. तो कार्ड्स आर वेरी मच अ वेरी लिविंग थिंग एंड दे पिक ऑन द एनर्जी. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज एबल टू टेल कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. एंड पता ऐसे चलता है कि उनकी कार्ड्स, देयर आर 78 कार्ड्स इन नंबर. सॉरी, हर कार्ड में ना कोई पिक्चर बनी होती है. एंड दैट पिक्चर कलर नंबर्स, दे बेसिकली डिफाइन अ बेसिक लाइफ ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. कि आप कैसे, जब यू नो ऑल द मूवमेंट्स दैट हैपन इन अ ह्यूमन्स लाइफ, बर्थ, हैप्पीनेस, जॉय, सैडनेस, स्ट्रगल, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो जिसके लाइफ में जो चल रहा होता है, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग कम्स आउट.
Okay.
And that's how we are able to guide.
ये चीज समझ आती है हम, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई बंदा फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड कुछ भी बोलता है, लाइक एवरीबॉडी इज क्यूरियस कि यार क्या होने वाला है, उसके बारे में पता लगेगा तो ऑब्वियसली ही विल बी और शी विल बी क्यूरियस. अगला क्वेश्चन ये है मैम कि मतलब इफ समवन वांट्स टू डू दिस टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग, व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर टू?
There are two ways. Some people are natural. Others can also learn it, but they have to practice being intuitive. And intuition आप अपना strong करते हो by meditating. And it is a very basic process. When you buy a deck of cards, you read the basic meanings of the cards. जो उसका एक reference book आता है, you read that. But after that, you have to make sure that you are picking out one card every day and you're able to understand कि उसमें let that card speak to you. हर कार्ड में कोई ना कोई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई ना कोई ऐसे पिक्चर बनी होती है, कोई ना कोई नंबर होता है, कलर होता है. सो यू हैव टू सी व्हाट इट इज टेलिंग यू. बुक मीनिंग्स तो चलो हो गए, यू गेट द बेसिक आइडिया, बट देन you have to practice intuition. Let the thoughts come to your mind, and that's how you practice. So yeah, you have to meditate.
Okay, so like from what you have said, तो मतलब ये चीज it's from like within you also, मतलब it's something which you are born with, right? It's more like that also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, everybody has intuitions. Everybody has. It just depends. किसी की ज़्यादा developed होती है, किसी की नहीं होती है, किसी को पता ही नहीं होता है. So there is always a sense in people कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं है. वो कहते हैं ना, अंदर से आवाज आती है. So everybody has it. It depends कि किसी की ज़्यादा brushed up है, किसी की नहीं है, and some people need brushing up. So yeah, that's how.
तो जो फ्रेंड्स होंगे, ठीक है, या जो फैमिली मेंबर्स होंगे, वो तो यार सारे दिन पीछे पड़ रहे होंगे, एक बार और ऐसा कुछ. This happens?
It used to happen when I began doing it 12 years back. तब ऐसा, even I was very curious कि ऐसे कैसे, let's see, can they actually predict your future? So even I used to pick up my friends कि चलो बैठो, let's just see. And yeah, that is when it used to happen. Gradually it decreased. Now my friends also know, they are living with me practically, and my relatives, so kabhi kabhi किसी को जरूरत होती है then they call up.
Okay. And let's move forward to the next thing. You are also a Reiki healer. So first of all, I want to know, what is Reiki actually?
So healing is basically, it's a Japanese technique. It is, I'm telling you the Google meaning of it. It's a Japanese technique of healing other people. तो उसमें आपको आपका, if you have any physical issues, physical ailments, mental ailments and emotional, तो वो चीजें जो है आपकी heal होती है. This is how we use. It's a process where we use the energy to heal other people.
Okay. Are there actually courses available?
Yeah. In India now the courses have come. Healing के courses हैं, tarot के courses हैं, yoga के भी हैं. मतलब yoga तो of course है ही है. So yes, these courses are very much there now.
Okay. So moving forward, can you also predict things for you? Like, ये चीज intuition वाली चीज तो आगे भी काम करेगी ना? For you also, even if you don't have the cards in hands, right?
Yeah, I used to use tarot cards initially in my initial beginning years to seek guidance from them. But उसके बाद क्या होता है कि धीरे धीरे ना आपकी skills, intuitive skills develop होती रहती हैं. So now if I need to know something, I don't really switch to my cards. I can see and hear things in my head, and that's how I go ahead with my life.
So, ma'am, can you tell me like an example where you were like, this thing is going to happen and that thing did happen? मतलब वो चीज आपने अपने लिए सोची, not for someone else. Like you have developed skills, like you have thought कि यार ये चीज इस तरीके से होगी अब, और that happened. कुछ ऐसा है आपके दिमाग में? Any examples?
ऐसा तो बहुत बार होता है. I mean, day to day life में भी, या I mean, what are you asking exactly? कि हम कुछ सोच रहे हैं वो चीज materialize हो जाए. हाँ, वो this तो I keep doing every now and then, no? Setting targets, visualizing, doing certain rituals to manifest that particular thing. That's what I do with me, अपनी चीजें fulfill करने के लिए, या to achieve my goals. So yes. बाकी रही बात की tarot predictions सही होने में, वो तो yes, that happens. That I get a lot of feedback from people also. And sometimes during sessions people don't really, because they're all strangers, so during sessions they don't really tell कि open up नहीं होता है एकदम से. ठीक है, एंड मैं डिटेल्स भी नहीं मांगती हूँ किसी से. आई डोंट नीड टू नो देयर नेम्स और डेट ऑफ बर्थ और एनीथिंग. दे जस्ट हैव टू कम अप विद द क्वेश्चंस. So sometimes people don't really open up, and what happens is that during session I can figure out, I can see what is going on in their lives. तो वो सब ऑलरेडी खुल के आ जाता है. एंड जब आप बोलना शुरू करते हो, when I start telling them कि ऐसा हो रहा है, and that's when they start opening up. Okay, नहीं, यहाँ बताना चाहिए, then we can talk properly. तो yeah, that's how.
अगर कोई नॉर्मल बंदा कोई एक प्रोफेशन चूज करता है, फॉर एग्जांपल इंजीनियरिंग और मेडिसिन और एनी अदर प्रोफेशन, तो दैट थिंग इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है, फॉर पेरेंट्स एंड फॉर द सोसाइटी.
Oh yeah.
So how hard was it?
Very hard. It was very difficult. It was, see, this kind of society we live in, Indian society, अभी भी बहुत people, this is not a मतलब this is not something which do mainstream नहीं है, which everybody wants to do. And I began this 12 years back when I was in college. So I had just joined, I was in first year, I had just joined the college. So of course at that time I was doing my graduation also, and I started practicing tarot reading simultaneously, but I took it up 100% professionally. It was 7 years back, so of course it was very challenging. कि किसी को बताओ that what do you do? I do tarot reading, Reiki healing. आगे से जवाब ही नहीं आता है. They are like because they don't know what it is. So like, अच्छा, okay, but आप करते क्या हो? This is what I do. You know, so it's very difficult to explain also. अच्छा, क्या होता है? ये क्या होता है? So this I used to get a lot. So to completely switch my line from what I was studying and to take this as a profession was a challenge. Mom tried to convince karna, but then there were relatives, certain relatives who said कि कोई बात नहीं, go ahead with this, it's okay, then I started accepting it myself also. पहले खुद भी accept करना पड़ता है कि मुझे करना पड़ा कि this is what I want to do, Rhythm, so be prepared. Once you accept it to yourself, then it kind of goes on. Things start
Okay.
falling in place. Yeah.
That happens in every profession. But हाँ, मतलब
Yeah.
when you talk about tarot reading, actually this is like next level. तो इस चीज को समझाना would be really really difficult. That is why we are
Exactly.
here.
टैरो तो
Okay.
फिर भी लोग समझ जाते हैं, मतलब इट्स लाइक व्हेन आई टेल देम दैट आई एम अ टैरो रीडर, दे लाइक हमारा हाथ रीड कर लो, तो समहाउ दे रिलेट. बट हीलिंग इज लाइक बियॉन्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. पीपल डोंट गेट इट, सो आई हैव टू टेल देम दैट इट इज somewhat like therapy. जैसे आप थेरेपी में जाते हैं, अच्छा थेरेपी इज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी नॉर्मलाइज्ड इन इंडिया येट. पीपल डोंट वांट टू गो टू
Mm-hmm.
थेरेपिस्ट. तो अब जिसको समझ आता है, they understand. But now, जैसे आजकल a lot of awareness is happening on mental health and everything. So now people are starting to get it. So अभी मैंने कुछ टाइम से काफी ऐसा देखा है that people are coming forward to get healing done. So yeah.
That is why I said ना कि that is why I related it to psychology. भी इंडिया में वही हाल है. Psychology नहीं, I would say this therapy and all.
हाँ,
Psychologists are really uncommon in India. People would consider going to like doing anything but not going to psychologist. लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं.
Exactly. और उनको पता ही नहीं होता that they even need one, because ये पता ही नहीं है कि ऐसा कुछ होता भी है, and अगर आप जाओ तो आप पागल हो. So that is the thing. But people living abroad and the youngsters, they are aware. So thankfully things are changing now, and that's why I try my best to create as much content as much as I can on my gram also, कि पता चले लोगों को कि what healing is. Their issues can be resolved, they can resort to options to heal themselves. So yeah.
Okay. एंड ऑल्सो मैम, अगर मतलब कोई एक ऐसी चीज है जिस चीज से सच में मैं प्रिडिक्ट कर सकता हूँ अपना फ्यूचर, लाइफ बिकम्स रियली रियली कॉम्प्लेक्स. मतलब हर चीज में पीपल वुड बी लाइक कि यार इसको तो पता ही हुआ, इसको तो पता ही हुआ, ऐसा ये कर लेगी, ये कर लेगी. हर चीज में एडवाइस ले रहे हैं कि यार अच्छा ठीक है गाड़ी लेके निकल जाए आज, ऐसी कोई एडवाइस ले रहे हैं. तो दिस थिंग हैपेंस टू यू एंड क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर. आई सपोज ये चीज होती होगी हमेशा, क्योंकि अगर मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ, ठीक है, तो पीपल वुड नॉट want to see me getting ill. एक मेंटालिटी होती है लोगों की अजीब सी. इवन दो मेरे को भी दिक्कत हो सकती है, मैं डॉक्टर हूं नहीं वैसे, ठीक है, बट लेकिन दिस कैन हैपन. सो दिस कैन हैपन टू यू ऑल्सो. होता है ना, ऐसी चीजें तो होती हैं दैट यू प्रिडिक्ट समथिंग दैट डजंट वर्क आउट इतना अच्छे से, दैट वेल, उतना वही बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली सेम चीज, और ये प्रेशर बना रहता होगा. तो हाउ इज दैट थिंग विद यू? ये होता है?
ऐसा होता तो नहीं है एक्चुअली. वॉट एवर आई से, वॉट एवर द प्रिडिक्शंस हैपन, वो ऑलमोस्ट ट्रू होती हैं. 1%, आई विल नॉट सेंड दैट आई एम गॉड, लेकिन आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि वॉट एवर आई एम टेलिंग पीपल वो सही ही होता है. पर ये जरूर होता है दैट I have to stay disconnected and yet connected to people. I cannot enter their emotions, their feelings, and then feel bad और मेरा पूरा दिन वैसा sad जाए. That I cannot do. That I have to draw a line. But otherwise, yeah. And about जैसे आप पहले पूछ रहे थे कि if people ask me कि अभी क्या करें, little questions that started to happen in my beginning years. तो उसमें आई टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स, यूजुअली पीपल दोज हु वर लिविंग टू मी, जिनका इजी एक्सेस था मेरे साथ. सो आई टोल्ड देम कि आप ऐसे डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकते टैरो कार्ड्स पे. एवरीथिंग, आज क्या पहनना है, आज क्या होगा, दिस कैन नॉट हैपन, बिकॉज इस तरह से यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग डिपेंडेंट ऑन समवन. तो आप ऐसे वीक होते जाओगे. दिस इज नॉट अ वेरी हेल्थी थिंग टू डू. इंस्टेड हैव कॉन्फिडेंस, ट्राई टू लिसन टू योरसेल्फ, ask out a question and then wait for the answer. It will definitely pop up. Signs, look for signs, ask for signs. तो इससे आप खुद का ही डेवलप कर सकते हो. You will start listening to yourself. आपका confidence डेवलप होगा. Every day asking somebody about little bit things will just make you lose your confidence. So that's what I told everybody.
Yes, exactly. That may happen. यार बार बार confusion होगी कि ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, पूछ लेता हूँ एक बार. But टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग मैंने कभी आज तक लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करी. सो कैन यू डू इट फॉर मी? कैन यू like pull some cards for me?
Yeah, I can, but will you be comfortable getting the readings done online in front of everybody? Will you be comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable. Let's
All
go
right.
ahead with.
All right, tell me. So, what question do you have?
Okay, so I
You
have
have to
questions
ask
like,
me a question. Ask me anything.
okay, so I want to ask like, what will be my future? Like, how will I do things in future? Will I be a successful man with a lot of money, or like an average man with average amount of salary?
Let's do the general reading. To answer your question, will your future be very the kind of success you want? That will happen. Obviously, that will happen. You have to think like that also, and it will happen. In a span of 3 months, you will encounter something very cheerful. कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी सी चीजें happening चीजें होंगी. But right now, you have to overcome the mental struggles, and emotionally you feel stuck. एक emotional stability. I mean, it's like you need to renew a spark. अपने emotionally, you are feeling एकदम constant. There is no not much of excitement or sadness भी नहीं है. It's something like that. So those things you need to overcome. और mentally बहुत सारी confusions हैं आपको जो you need to talk about things, you need to figure them out. So yeah, these are the little bit challenges that you need to fix, mental and emotional things. Once you
Okay,
do
well,
that,
this is I think is correct that I really feel very neutral these days. That is
हाँ
true.
neutral.
Okay. So, और questions पूछ सकता हूँ मैम?
हाँ जी पूछो. Tell me.
Okay. Like, do you think I would get a job or I would do a business or something? क्या चीज
What are
होगी
you
मेरे
doing
future
right
में?
now? What do you do right now?
I am doing both those things, both of them.
You're you're working also. I mean, and you have a business also. Right now, you must focus on your business.
Okay.
It's like अभी तो ना it's too soon to focus on anything. दोनों चीजें ऐसी हैं कि आप जॉब भी कर सकते हो कंटिन्यू और बिजनेस भी. दोनों में ना अभी ज्यादा रिजल्ट्स आएंगे नहीं. It is going to be normal. The kind of things that you wish to achieve, that is not going to happen abhi. The time is not yet. So if you want to give more energy to something out of these two things, then you can give it to your business, the things that you're doing yourself.
Okay.
इसमें आप अपने
And okay. And one last question यार, ये question ऐसे हर बंदे के दिमाग में रहता ही है. तो what will happen to my love life? Like,
Are you seeing someone right now?
yep.
All right. Now, apparently, there is no confusion in the personal life, and both will grow equally. As in, your growth is going to be equal. Your and your partner's growth is going to be equal. Professionally, both of you will be good. Mental and financially, also, you will be good. Even the marriage, I cannot see marriage happen because both the families need to be convinced. Somebody's father and somebody's mother, that needs to be done. And marriage, शादी में time है. There is time for both of you to get married. So for now, you will have good compatibility. Yeah, good journey. Good compatibility. There are no
Okay.
challenges. You cannot see any yet. So it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
खुश हो गई वो भी सुन के. ठीक है. So let's move forward. हाँ, तो मेरे को ये पूछना मैम, like I have asked questions from you. There will be people, ठीक है, जो बहुत सारे questions होंगे जिनके दिमाग में. तो कोई ऐसा बंदा आया जिसने बहुत ज्यादा stupid questions पूछे हो. Like सबसे stupid question क्या था किसी ने जो पूछा है आज तक? थोड़ा lighter tone में लेके चलते हैं इस इंटरव्यू को.
Yeah. ऐसा कोई stupid question होता ही नहीं है. मतलब there is none. Plus, who am I to judge? Everybody has issues going on in their lives. So, ऐसे किसी का, there is no stupid. Sometimes people are they hesitate a lot and they say it themselves. It's very stupid thing to ask, but I'm asking you this. तो they hesitate करते हैं वो already. तो उसमें क्या मजाक बनाना? I mean, there is no stupid question. It's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. So, with this, ma'am, I think we should end this interview. And it was
Sure.
really, really a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you. Thank you
Inceptio
so
community,
much. Thank
proud
you
to
so
have you.
much.
And also, guys, like if you want to follow ma'am, okay, if you are interested in tarot cards and if you want to get yourself read one day, please go follow
Yeah.
her.
Yes,
That's how you
that's
say,
it.
right? You want to get read. यही सही adjective है ना to use
हाँ,
if you want to
yes.
get
If you
read.
want to get your readings
Yeah.
done, if you want to get healing done, you can get in touch with me through my website or you can DM me on Instagram.
Okay. With this, thank you, ma'am. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you.
having you. And
Thank
we'll
you
do
so
this
much.
maybe once more. We'll do this some other time. And
Sure,
with this,
sure,
thank you,
sure.
ma'am. Thank you for
Thank
being
you.
here.
All right.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Okay. Bye.